How to find good stocks for swing trading. Investing is definitely a questionable endeavor to try to get in trading stocks industry nowadays. Many people find themselves losing a lot of their own finances via this high-risks industry. And the most frequent fault, the key reason why these people gather such bad outcomes, is because they oftentimes do not think of the potential risks involved as well as solely concentrate on making fast money. Exactly what anyone ought to be familiar with in order to survive this kind of high-stakes business are the things to consider. Below are a few items you need to be aware of day trading that could help you in making the correct choices about your investments. The initial point you'll want to know about trading is that you need to be prepared to be affected by significant financial losses. And take in mind in which this is not a rare thing to happen among daytime traders. In reality, lots of these individuals do not actually find the chance to make earnings at all. Hence, for those who have restricted options and also have hardly any knowledge in doing investments or trades, then day trading should be not a good idea in your case. Just remember to never risk cash that you can't afford to lose, for instance your budget for day-to-day expenditures, mortgages, retirements and so forth. The reason why a number of people also get scammed pertaining to day trading is due to their own gullibility and direction of appealing promises that provide all of them huge earnings, most commonly on the internet. Keep clear associated with any kind of advertisements or promises that attempt to convince you on exactly how this certain business can potentially help to make your own rich in a short time frame. In addition, take in mind that most substantial and productive companies didn't make it to the very best by taking shortcuts. Almost all of those who include earned money through the stock exchange possess basically taken more traditional ways within their methods. Besides, day trading require you to be described as a wise decision maker, but most importantly, what's more, it calls for people to have a beneficial background on security markets and investing methods. In order to be successful in such an endeavor, you must compete with professional and certified traders that could have ended up accomplishing this for a long time currently. It is important to commit all on your own experience before you try upon participating in this particular high-risk activity. In the event that you're really chosen getting involved in stock investing, probably the most crucial steps that you can at the very least consider would be to seek advice from your state investments regulator concerning investing agencies. Naturally, just like virtually any broker-dealer, such agencies must be legally listed with the Securities and Exchange Commissions to do business. At the very least, via this way you can determine at this events you are carrying out business along with are actually reliable and primarily probably would not scam you. In conclusion, stock investing is a very exploratory method. Therefore, everyone who might possibly not have adequate expertise and information about the particular share's activity should not try to gamble without properly preparing him or herself. This tactic ought to only be used by people who are advanced, well-financed and seasoned enough to control issues as well as bear risks just in case the worst-case scenario. Therefore, if you're thinking about betting on the day deal, make sure that you prepare yourself being sensible in your judgments.